Good morning dear students, welcome to accounts class. Today we are going to solve question number 1. So before watching this video, yesterday I have uploaded one video that in that video I given the introduction regarding this final account chapter. So if you did not watch that video, first of all you have to watch it. This is the continuation of yesterday's video. Okay, so this question number 1. Prepare trading account from the following particulars for the year ended 31st March 2018. Items are opening stock. Opening stock is coming on the debit side of trading account as the first item. Purchases, if a purchase return is there, purchase amount we are writing not in the amount column. Like in the amount column we will not write, we are writing here. Inner column we will write, and the purchase return we will deduct from that one. After deducting how much answer is coming, this answer we will write outer column. Here purchase return is given 22,000. So this is 22,000 we will subtract from 7 lakh. Balance amount we will show in the amount column. Then sales. Sales is coming in the credit side of trading accounts. Credit side of trading accounts. And sometimes the sales return will be there. It is given here. Sales return also we have to subtract. That is why sales amount will be given this side of the trading account, inner column. Here we will write, and sales return also will write under that. We will subtract. Balance amount we will write in the outer column. Then next item is wages. Wages, this is the direct expenses. Yesterday I told all the direct expenses only we are taking in the trading accounts. That is why this wages will come in the trading accounts. If any indirect expense are given, that we will not consider for preparing trading account. So wages is a direct expenses. Carriage inward also coming on the debit side because it is a direct expenses. Carriage outward is not a direct expense. Carriage outward is indirect expenses. Then our next, so this will not come. Carriage outward will not come in the trading accounts. Manufacturing expenses are direct expenses. It will come on debit side. Purchase return and sales return I told already. Gas, fuel and power, it is a direct expenses. Expenses are coming on the debit side. Okay, not in credit side. Then dock charges, it is also direct expense. Factory lighting is not a direct. It is an indirect expense. So this will not come in the trading account. Sorry. Factory lighting, it is a direct expenses. Factory lighting is a direct expenses, and office lighting is indirect. So office lighting will not come in the trading accounts. Factory lighting will take. Now after writing all the items, we will find out the difference. And and one more item is given outside this table. Here closing stock is given. So closing stock is coming in this side of trading account, in the credit side of trading accounts. Okay, then we will get the answer. So I will show it. This is the first question, that is why I will solve it. The given items I have written. Opening stock is taken on the debit side. Purchases are written in inner column. Purchase return we subtracted, and balance amount written outer column. And this side always this order we have to keep. Firstly opening stock, then purchase minus purchase return, then all the direct expenses. This side first item will be sales. Sales inner column. Sales return amount we are subtracting. After subtracting, this is known as net sales. Okay, this is known as net sales, and this amount is known as purchase minus purchase return. This is known as net purchases. Then after sales, here one more item only coming, that will be closing stock. Okay, two items only coming in the trading account credit side. One is net sales, second one is closing stock. Then what are the direct expense I told in the question? That items you are taking: wages, carriage inward, manufacturing expenses, gas, fuel and power, dock charges, factory lighting. Okay, then after taking this much, we will see which side is more. If this side or this means the credit side. If a credit side is more, otherwise debit side is more, we will see it. This side total is coming 23 lakhs, 23 lakhs 64. This side is less than that. This side is coming 15 lakh only. That is why the highest total we will write both the sides. So here we are writing 23 lakhs 64,000. The same total we will write this side. This side is less. That is why which amount is more, that amount we are writing both the side. Now from this we have to subtract all these items. Then we will get a balance. That balance will be, if this side is more, the balance is known as gross profit. Here the writing will be 2 gross profits carried on. Okay, so that you can find out how much is coming, how we will get from this total, subtract all these amounts, then we will get this answer. Okay, here 7,69,000 is given. This answer you will get. Okay, now this question's answer is over. Then if we are making trading and profit loss accounts, then after the total we will continue this accounts. Then after the total, this is known as profit loss account. There is no need of writing any separate heading. Okay, then this gross profit, how much we are getting, this gross profit we will brought down to under the total, so that will come here. Here it will come, and here the writing will be by gross profits brought down, BD. Okay, then profit loss account will continue. But this question only trading account only asked, and only for preparing trading account only the details are given. That is why by finding this gross profit our answer is over. Now I am going to discuss how we can make profit and loss accounts. Yesterday I told what are the direct expenses. All the expenses except direct expenses, this is known as indirect expenses. So here format of profit loss account is given. Okay, this all will be you go through many times. This all will be indirect expenses, many are there, and these all will be indirect incomes. And if gross profit is coming in the profit loss account, the first item will be gross profit brought down. If loss is there, gross loss is there from the trading account, that will write this side. After that, all the indirect expenses we are writing, all the indirect incomes we will take, and we will do the balance. Lastly, if we are getting profit, that profit is known as, next page it is. Okay, net profit transferred into capital, that will be the writing. Okay, so it is your duty to go through all the indirect expenses, read 5 times, then by hearing the name easily you can understand what are the indirect expenses. Then one homework is there. I will explain one question, and for that question you can prepare profit loss accounts. So we done question number 1, and our next question is question 12. So question 12 I will explain, and you can make a profit loss accounts. Okay, first item is given there, gross profit. Gross profit will come in the credit side. Then general expenses, it will come on debit side. Charity also, office lighting also, law charges, advertisements, bank charges, commission, rent, rates, taxes. This much items are expenses. Okay, all these items will come on the debit side. Then interest on income, interest on investment will be income. This will come not in debit side, it is coming on the credit side. Sundry income, this also coming in the credit side. Okay, this 2 item will be coming on the credit side. Then indirect expenses, printing and stationery, these 2 are expenses. Then carriage outwards, office expenses, fire insurance premium, telephone expenses, establishment expenses, miscellaneous expenses, all will be expenses. It will come debit side. Before writing these items on the debit side, we have to start with the 2. For example, 2 general expenses, 2 charity, 2 office lighting, like that. Okay, and when we are writing these incomes, by interest on investment in credit side, by sundry income. Then discount received is an income, so we will write on credit side by discount received. Traveler's salary, repair, both will be expenses. Then commission CR is given. CR means it is a this account will be credited according to nominal account rule for debit and credit. We studied that credit all incomes, debit all expenses. So this is a credited, that is why it is a income. So this will come in the credit side. Writing will be by commission. After writing this much, you have to take the difference and you will get a net profit of this much amount. Okay, and the writing will be net profit transferred to capital. If any doubt is there for making and balancing, you can see illustration 12. Here one profit loss account is made in page number 19.15. okay, solution is shown there. This you can see. Okay, so this you have to complete in your copy. Okay, thank you.